Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this fascinating and breaking story as of December 16th. What you are about to witness is footage that has left both experts and enthusiasts alike scratching their heads. This was captured just days ago over the skies of New Jersey. A fleet of what can only be described as otherworldly drones. Take a closer look. Notice the unusual design of the craft. These are not your standard issue drones. They don't adhere to any known terrestrial specifications. Yet peculiarly, their lights mimic FAA regulation patterns. Why would something so alien, so advanced, conform to our aviation guidelines? Is it a deliberate attempt to mask their presence, or could it suggest human involvement? These questions remain unanswered. Are they mimicking species, meaning are they shapeshifters of a sort? The alien mimicry theory is the idea that extraterrestrial entities, or their technology, may imitate human-made objects, behaviors or phenomena to blend into our environment, avoid detection or manipulate human perceptions. This theory often arises in discussions about UFO sightings and unexplained aerial phenomena, where the observed craft or entities exhibit characteristics resembling familiar objects like airplanes, drones, or celestial events. Now let's delve deeper. What you're seeing here is perhaps even more astonishing. An orb, shimmering, almost alive, floating effortlessly. Its surface glows with an otherworldly effect, a stark contrast to the mechanical precision of the human-controlled drone it's interacting with. The interaction between the two is nothing short of mesmerizing. Watch closely as the orb evades the drone's maneuvers with an agility that defies conventional physics. The drone, piloted by human hands, seems to be attempting something. But what, a scan, an interception? Or perhaps, dare I say, a message? Whatever the intention, the orb's response is deliberate, as if it knows exactly what the human drone is doing, but is able to see the mind and thoughts of the operator a mile away as it sachets out of the way. Here's the same scene, now from a wider vantage point. Notice how this new angle reveals more of the context and yet adds to the mystery. What appears to be a simple encounter is anything but. Some experts have speculated that the orb might be studying us. Others claim it could be reacting to electromagnetic signals from the drone. And now we turn to a chilling development that adds an even darker layer to this mystery. Reports from New Jersey include a startling 911 call claiming that these drones are siphoning energy directly from solar panels.
She's driving back to Groton, but believes she has video of drones in the area that were landing in the solar panel farm, sucking power from the solar panels so they can continue their flights. You'd call her.
Imagine that, unplugged, yet able to extract power from the very systems meant to harness energy from the very sun. And have there not been recent images from space, from the Solar Helios Observatory, that showed just that, large objects extracting solar energy from our very own sun? If what we are witnessing is to be true, our celestial neighbours use solar energy as a refueling source and may choose to go to planets that emit the light of a star. And could this be why there is a theory of some stars that are being shielded in massive containments to extract and harness their energy for a Type 2 civilization, such as our visitors of late? Witness accounts describe how these drones hover above solar fields, draining energy in a way that defies our understanding of technology. Even more concerning, similar events are being reported near power grids, suggesting a deliberate targeting of our infrastructure. Could this capability point to their ultimate weakness? If these drones rely on our energy systems, could this be the key to grounding them, to defeating them?
There's two of them right there, and one of them is clearly spraying. The other one's right next to it. No, there's not, because I looked on the flight tracker app.
Then there's this, claims that these drones are spraying unknown substances into the air. What are they dispersing? Chemicals, biological agents, something we can't yet detect? I must stress, viewers, that all of this is speculative, but the implications are deeply unsettling. If true, these activities suggest a coordinated effort, one that combines a high level of intelligence with a disregard for human comprehension. Are we witnessing a reconnaissance mission, an experiment, or something entirely beyond our understanding? What's certain is that these events demand our attention. Whether we're dealing with a terrestrial mystery cloaked in secrecy or an encounter with forces from beyond, the skies of New Jersey have given us a puzzle we can no longer ignore. Stay vigilant and, as always, question everything. The truth is out there, waiting for us to uncover it.